Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Ford Transit Connect equipped with the Driverge rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. We will first open up the lift gate, and then you will use this to unlock the ramp, and then you can pull it straight out. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. As you make your way inside, you will see this one has the electronic retractable straps. And over here you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And then in the front, of course, you have driver and passenger. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. Make sure you push it and then close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. And on top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this one is going to have 58,000 miles. And here is the view of the front. And then here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.